In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Yahoo account without using a phone, number, or email address. First, open any internet browser. In the address bar, type yahoo.com and hit enter. Once the Yahoo homepage loads, click Sign In at the top right. If you remember your email address or username, go ahead and enter it here. If you don't remember it, you can click Forgotten Username. Since I remember mine, I'll type it in and click Next. Now it will ask for your password. If you don't know your password, simply click Forgotten Password. At this point, Yahoo will show you a few recovery options. These are usually linked to your recovery email or your phone number. If you don't have access to either one, choose Select Another option, and then click Call Premium Customer Care. Yahoo will then show you their support phone number, along with a single-use code you'll need to give during the call. When you speak to the Yahoo support team, just explain that you no longer have access to your account, phone number, or recovery email. They will walk you through the steps needed to recover your account, and that's all there is to it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you.